Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP ABAP interview question and answer. Explain about Adobe Forms in SAP ABAP. Adobe Forms is a technology used for developing the forms and now it has become the current standard in SAP. For forms development, to use these forms, a Java stack must be first installed in SAP Basis. Along with that, developers need to configure the Adobe Document Service ADS, Adobe Lifecycle Designer LCD GUI. Graphical User Interface for Adobe Forms must also require to be installed separately as the application will run on Windows. Using Adobe Forms, we can create the forms in companies, full out of forms output as a print form. Show it is a PDF file on screen or even it can be sent. Such forms will include purchase orders, orders and invoices. From the SAP system, it reads the associated master data and transaction data. The data will be displayed by the application in the predefined and desired forms. For example, as a print form, entering data in forms is called allowed. Adobe has become the successor to SAP Script and Smart Forms. This technology has surprised it to predecessors SAP Script and SAP Forms in various areas like performance and design. We can separate design and programming by using Adobe Forms in SAP. Also, interactive forms by Adobe in SAP provides different suitable tools and functions for the easier design of a form. It is possible to customize the form by form developers with the help of their own programming by using two scripts, languages Adobe, Form Cackle or JavaScript. The developer tools for Adobe Forms will be cited through SFP, SAP T Code, Form Builder, Transition. Thank you for watching.